Want to mirror your Android phone to your TV without cables? Today, I'll show you a simple way to mirror your Android phone screen to a TV. We'll use 1001 TVs, with Fire TV as the example. Download and open 1001 TVs on both your Android phone and your Fire TV. Make sure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. On your phone, tap Screen Mirroring. Select your Fire TV from the device list, or scan the QR code shown on the TV. Allow the connection when prompted. On some Android phones, scanning the QR code only establishes the connection. To actually start mirroring, return to the device list and tap the TV again. Once connected, your phone screen will appear on the TV in real time. Anything you do on your phone will be instantly reflected on the big screen. If you only want to play a local video, streaming can be a better option than full screen mirroring. Tap Streaming and choose the TV you want to cast to. Tap Video and select a video file from your phone. Hit play. Wait a moment, and the video will start playing on your TV. You can now use your phone as a remote control to play, pause, fast forward, or rewind. And that's it. With 1001 TVs, you can mirror your screen or stream videos quickly and wirelessly.